Hi everyone, this is 6 Storm Team meteorologist Ken Weathers with your forecast discussion for this Thursday, July the 18th. We still have a dome of high pressure and control across the area. This is called the water vapor loop. The brighter the greens and whites, that's the real moist air, and you can see that from the showers and storms yesterday. The darker colors are the dry air, which you don't see a lot of. But again, notice what's interesting is the flow. We're seeing the showers and storms develop east and slide to the west. That usually doesn't happen this time of year. If we get anything, they move eastward or slightly northeastward across the area. But this flow will continue again for today, and it will be unseasonably warm and humid. In fact, temperatures should top out today in the upper 80s to near 90 along the plateau into Kentucky, mid to upper 80s for the Smokies, and low 90s for much of the central and southern valley. And then when you factor in the humidity, these are heat index forecasts by this afternoon. We're talking mid to upper 90s is what it's going to feel like across the area. With all that heat and humidity and all that moisture in the air, we will once again see the pop-up showers and storms developing, especially late afternoon into the evening. And again, notice the flow moving from east to west across the area. And with these storms developing, we're going to see some moderate to at times heavy downpours of rain. But again, it won't be everywhere. But some of these storms could contain some damaging wind gusts as well, which we'll watch for. But coverage-wise, we're talking about 30 to 40% coverage for the Smokies, so most likely there, and about 20 to 30% coverage elsewhere for the valley and back along the plateau. And again, these will be moving from east to west very slowly. That's why we could see some isolated flooding in spots. So here's what we're looking at for the mountains for today. Temperatures around 85 degrees. Could be some pop-up storms with heavy rain, about a 40% coverage there. Looks like the plateau will see highs right around 88 degrees. Very steamy though, feeling more like low to mid 90s. Southeast Kentucky will be near 90 for a high with low to mid 90 heat index values. And with temperatures in the low 90s here in the valley, it's going to feel more like mid to upper 90s for today. So take precautions if you are going to be out and about for today. Now here's what we're looking at, your 7-day forecast, staying unsettled for sure over the next 6 to 7 days. About a 30% coverage of spotty storms today and tomorrow. A little more likely, especially late Saturday into Sunday, as a cold front will slide into the area. That front basically stalls out over the top of us, so we hold on to those spotty rain chances right on into the middle of next week. But it will cool us down just a little bit with temperatures into the upper 80s, which is closer to where we should be. Hey, if you're going to be out and about, don't forget to download our free weather app for iOS or Android devices. Just go to your local Google Play Store or iTunes account and search Knoxville Weather. Download it for free, and you'll be prepared to let you know when storms will pop up in your area and if they turn severe. From the WATE 6 Storm Team, I'm meteorologist Ken Weathers.